See, look at this numerical. We will see few numericals based on the density based formula. Here, the problem is silver crystallizes in FCC lattice, that is face centered cubic lattice, if the edge length of the unit cell is 4.07 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter and the density of the substance is, that is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube, and here calculate the atomic mass of silver. So here what is given here means edge length. The edge length is, the symbol is A. So A is what? 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 8. Then density is given here. D is equal to 10.5 gram per centimeter cube, and the Avogadro number we know that Na, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 mole inverse. Then the number of atoms in the FCC, that is face centered, the Z is 4 because the face centered unit cell, so that the Z is 4. Using the relation, we know that the formula is what? D is equal to Z m divided by A cube into Na. Now applying the value, first we want to find out what? Calculate of the atomic mass of silver. So we have to calculate this m. So rearrange the formula. M is equal to D into A cube into Na divided by Z. So here apply the value. D is what? 10.5, then A cube 4.07 into 10 power minus 8 to the whole cube. Then the Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by 4. The simplifying this, you will get, see the 10 power minus 8 into 3, 10 power minus 24, this is 10 power 23, so you will get 10 power minus 1. So after simplifying this value using of the logarithms table, you can get the values. The value is 107.13 gram per mole, because the unit is what? Here molecular mass, atomic mass of silver, so that the unit is gram per mole. So the atomic mass of the silver is 107.13 U. You can write like this. Look at this problem. Niobium crystallizes in body centered cubic, that is BCC structure, if the density is 8.55 gram per centimeter. Calculate the atomic radius of the niobium using its atomic mass is 93 U. So here the given value is what? Here density is given, so D is equal to 8.55 gram per centimeter. Then next is atomic mass. Atomic mass is what here? 93. So mass is 93, atomic mass 93. Then the Avogadro number, already we know that it's 6.022 into 10 power 23 mole inverse. Then this is gram per centimeter cube. Then next is atomic mass, then Z. So Z is what here? BCC. Number of atoms per unit cell for BCC is 2. So using 2. Applying the relation, you can get it. That is D is equal to what? The formula is D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Now apply this relation. Z is 2, mass is 93, and that A cube you have to find out. So first you have to rearrange the formula. That means A cube is equal to then Zm divided by D into Na. So here Z is this and M is 93. A cube is here and the density is 8.55 and this Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 power 23. See, after simplifying, you will get take log of 2 and take log of 93 and add it. Then take individual log of 8.55 and log of 6.022. So then add these two values. Then subtract the numerator value and the denominator value. Then anti-log. Take it the anti-log. You will get 3.162 into 10 power minus 23 centimeter cube. So edge length, so that you have to use either centimeter, picometer, nanometer like this. So here A cube is what? 3.162 into 10 power minus 23 centimeter cube. So A is equal to, A will become 360 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. This is A cube and this is A. So for the body center cubic unit cell, the radius is what? Already we know that formula, R is equal to root 3A by 4. Right? Now A is what here? Apply the value root 3 into 3.306 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 4. So after this unit is centimeter, so after simplification you will get that is 1.432 10 power minus 8 centimeter, or you can write it 14.32 into 10 power minus 9 centimeter, or the conversion of nanometer is 14.32 nanometer, because 10 power minus 9 centimeter, that is 1 nanometer. So this is the radius of the radius of the what? The atomic radius of the niobium crystals. Look at this problem. Copper crystallizes into a FCC face center lattice with edge length is 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter, so that the calculated density is in agreement with its measured value of 8.92 gram per centimeter. So we have to prove that. So now the formula is what here? First you must know that edge length A is 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 centimeter. Then here the Avogadro number is what? Na 6.022 into 10 power 23 mole inverse. Then what is here? The atomic mass. So copper, the atomic mass of copper is 63.5, that is 63.5 gram per mole, and the remaining values was FCC. So Z is what here? Z is equal to 4, because of the number of atoms per unit cell in FCC is 4. Now applying the relation, D is equal to what? The formula is Zm divided by A cube into Na. This is molecular mass. Now the Z is what here? 4. Molecular mass is 63.5 divided by A cube is 3.61 into 10 power minus 8 to the whole cube into Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 power 23. So take a log value for 4 and add log value of 63.5 and log value of 3.61 into 3 times, add it. Then again take a log value of 6.022, add it, then subtract the value, then you will get the final answer is 8.97 gram per centimeter cube. So here the density is 8.97 gram per centimeter cube. what is the agreement here? 8.92. So the measured value of the density is measured value from the problem. Measured value of the density is 8.92 gram per centimeter cube. So that means the measured value of the density is given as 8.92 gram per centimeter. Hence the calculated density of 8.97 gram per centimeter. So is in agreement with this measured value. Look at this numerical. An element with molar mass 2.7 into 10 power minus 2 kilogram per mole forms a cubic unit cell with edge length is 405 picometer. If its density is 2.7 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube, what is the nature of the cubic unit cell? So we want to find out Z. Here the density is given. So the density is what? 2.7 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Then the molar mass is given here. Molar mass is 2.7 into 10 power minus 2 kilogram per mole. Then edge length is given here, and the Avogadro number is, we know that Avogadro number is Na 6.022 into 10 power 23 mole inverse. Then edge length A. So edge length is here given as picometer, 405 picometer. So here the conversion of picometer into meter, that will be 10 power, that is 405 into 10 power minus 12 meter. So 10 power minus 12 meter is equal to 1 picometer. Then after conversion of that, you can write it like this also, that is 4.05 into 10 power minus 10 meter. So applying the relation to the density formula, so D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. So we have to find out here what? Z. So Z is equal to D into A cube into Na divided by M. Now apply the value. D density is 2.7 into 10 power 3. A cube is 2.7 into 10 power minus 2 to the whole cube, and Na, so Avogadro number is 6.022 10 power 23 divided by the molecular mass is given here. This is A cube is, I wrote wrongly here. A cube is what here? 4.05 into 10 power minus 10 power to the whole cube. Okay. Then the M is 2.7 into 10 power minus 2. So calculate the value, that is after simplifying using the logarithms. Take log of 2.7, then take log of 4.05 into 3 times because of power 3, and take log of 6.022, and the simplify the 10 powers. So here 10 power minus 30, 10 power 23 plus 10 power 3 is 10 power 26. So 10 power minus 30, 10 power 26. So simplify that value. So you will get here 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 becomes plus 2. So 10 power minus 30 minus 26 minus 28. So then 10 power 28, this 10 power 3, 10 power 23, and this totally 10 power 28, 10 power minus 30, it will become 10 power minus 2. So after simplifying we will get the value is 4.004. So Z, so that there is no unit. So 4, that means approximately 4. Here the 4 means what? This implies that 4 atoms of the elements are present per unit cell. So the unit cell is FCC. So FCC are face center cubic or cubic close packed, or you can write cubic close packed. So this is the nature of the cubic unit cell.